thank you so much for joining us this afternoon and evening for our evening edition of our severe weather forecast models. And I'm going to tell you, I did some overviewing on the forecast models, and it sounds like it's going to be a busy one again. So we're going to start with April the 4th. 2017 at 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is what is going to happen over here, and then we'll go onward and upward. So you can see there's going to be a multiple marginal risk of severe weather. Marginal risk of severe weather, category number 1, will go into place in that section right there in the darker green, and then all along this area there'll be thunderstorms along with it, non-severe. We'll kind of keep an eye on that because the models intend to change. So that's what we're here for, to keep you ahead of the storm and prepared indefinitely, and it's going to be a busy one. And then there'll be chances of thunderstorm development along here, and then more severe weather action is going to develop down over here. So all along this area can see some severe weather, and then definitely marginal risk of severe weather is possible in that general area. We'll go ahead and give you a closer view of it. And like I said before, it's the general area right where you can see it in the darker green is the marginal risk of severe weather. That's category number 1, and for most of the general area, like in the Great Lakes area, we can see thunderstorm development. We're not expecting any severe weather. We'll kind of keep an eye on that one. Not as of right now, but we check the forecast models a lot, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that one. But Michigan, we're not expecting severe weather, but we'll keep an eye on everything. I promise you, my eyes are on the Midwest for sure. I can tell you that. So then we're going to have severe weather breaking out over here as well. Marginal risk, category number 1. Slight risk, number 2. Enhanced risk, number 3 in orange. So that covers April the 4th at 8 o'clock. What's going to happen the next 2 days? Stay tuned, and I'll tell you all about it. It looks like it's going to get even more active as we go into the next couple of days. We'll be right back with the rest of the forecast models on the severe weather threat for the Midwest. Stay tuned for more. We'll be right back. More updates just ahead. And welcome back, everybody. And these are our forecast models for April the 5th, 2017 at 8 o'clock in the morning. So we can see a marginal risk of severe weather along this area over here, and then slight risk of severe weather over in this area over here, and then all along in the lighter green is going to be thunderstorm possibilities as well, and a good portion of it too. And then a chance of marginal risk of severe weather, category number 1, and then slight risk of severe weather again farther down to the south again. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on the active scenario, but it even gets even more interesting when we get into Thursday. Stay tuned for that. That's coming up after this. Man, oh man, oh man, I got to tell you, Eric, you are just awesome, I'm telling you. Thank you very much. And yes, it does appear that on April the 6th, which are the models that we're looking at right now, these are April the 6th forecast severe weather model outlook, and this is what we have right now. Marginal risk chance along this area over here, a good chance for more severe weather brewing in the Midwest, and that is category number 2, slight risk. It's actually very, very large, a very large area of slight risk of severe weather along all in yellow right there. Then down in here in the orange, we have a chance of seeing some enhanced severe weather, category number 3. So it does look like just when you thought that the severe weather was just going to go away on its own, it's like it just keeps on going. So we just wanted to let you know that does complete our couple of days of active severe weather. Kind of stay tuned with us. You never know what's going to happen. And we also forgot to remind the viewers as well that in southeast lower Michigan we can expect to see thunderstorms as well. So we're going to have our chance for more thunderstorm action as well. So it does look like overall it is going to be quite busy in the picture. So we'll kind of map it all out again tomorrow and see if the models change, if any. So yeah, quite busy.